Safe shipping is an art at Navis, so when you need to transport your masterpiece, choose the company museums and private collectors trust with their valuables. Navis Pack Ship. From thousands of shipments, Navis has proven its expertise in safely shipping painting, sculptures, glassware, porcelain, antiques, furniture, and other valuable items. Whether you're shipping priceless museum art or a single sentimental piece, our custom services will ensure it will be packed and shipped safely to any location worldwide. Our skilled in-house packing and crating professionals carefully match techniques and materials to the fragility of the objects, the declared value coverage required, and the shipping environment. With over 30 years of experience, Navis Pack Ship has been privileged to handle a range of fine artwork pieces, from works by Monet, Picasso, and Matisse to priceless museum exhibitions. We understand the packing and shipping requirements of museums, art galleries, and discerning private collectors, and we adhere to standards accepted around the world. Whether you are moving one piece or an entire collection, Navis can manage all of the required services. We provide you with responsive service, expert packing and crating, and shipping options including transit value coverage and door-to-door service. Thousands of customers have chosen Navis Pack Ship based on referrals from happy customers. What makes the Navis difference? We don't cut corners in the handling and packing of your goods, whatever the value. We know you don't get a second chance when it comes to the safety of your shipment. We treat your items as if they were our own. Give us a call today and speak to any one of our shipping experts. Our professional and caring staff at Navis will answer your questions and help you to get your special treasure to its destination with care. So where do you go for experienced, trusted service? Go Navis.